Next up, we need to download Thonny IDE. The URL is thonny.org, and I'll drop the link in the video description box below. The installer file is quite lightweight, only about 21 megabytes. Let's download the Thonny IDE installer for Windows OS. This installer is only of 22.4 megabytes. Now, let's install Thonny IDE. To start the installation, simply double-click the installer, and the setup wizard is started. Installation process is simple, just keep clicking on Next button. Alright, Thonny IDE is installed. As we open it up, you'll see at the bottom right corner that it automatically detects our board.